So I stood mainly because I couldn't see my friends and family and community struggling anymore, and I wanted to make a difference. And also, as a young person, there wasn't much representation, so I really wanted to be a voice and make sure that young people had representation there and be part of that decision making.
I've been a town councillor for 6 years and really enjoyed that time, and I was the mayor for Town and Kimnel Bay last year, which I really enjoyed. And I'd said to myself that if I managed that year okay as mayor and I enjoyed it, that I would stand for county council, and I thoroughly enjoyed it. My inspiration mainly comes from the community, from the people that are here. They're so resilient, and people are just fantastic, especially in current times, and I just want to do my absolute best for them. And my family, you know, my family are really proud of me. They've been behind me the whole way. I've got 5 children, 5 boys and a husband, and they're all really supportive of everything that I do, and they understand that I'm out at meetings, they understand that I get phone calls at goodness knows what time of day or night, and I think they're inspired by me as well, which makes me really proud.
Everybody's got their own story. Everybody needs a bit of help, including myself. I've suffered with depression, I've suffered with addiction, been there, got the t-shirt, and in 2014 I had my light bulb moment that I needed to help other people to say, you can get past this, it takes you to do it. I don't want to inspire people, I want people to know that anything's possible, it's just changing that mental gear to make it possible.
The good people of the Gynghorydd who voted me in is the people that encourage me to do things I do.
O'n i'n meddwl yn bwysig bod pobl gwahanol o gefndiroedd gwahanol, o oedran gwahanol yn cynrychioli cymunedau nhw ar y cyngor. Felly, pryd o'n i'n 20 mlwydd oed, nes i benderfynu rhoi'n enw ymlaen i sefyll i fod yn gynghorydd. Nes i ennill yr etholiad hwnnw, a dwi newydd ennill y ail etholiad mis Mai llynedd. Dwi'n meddwl bod yn bwysig cynrychioli buddiannau pobl lleol, barn pobl lleol, a bod i mi, bod pobl Llanrwst a pobl ardaledig yn cael chwarae teg gan y cyngor. Ond wrth gwrs, mae'r gwasanaeth yn wahanol mewn ardaledig nag ydy hi yn yr ardaloedd trefol. Felly mae'n bwysig bod ni'n cael cynghorwyr sydd yn fodlon rhannu barn ac wedi gwreiddio yn eu cymunedau nhw.
In my local village of Old Colwyn, my husband ran many football teams for children, young people, some with different disabilities and things. And the council suddenly decided they wanted to build a call centre on the only football pitch in the area. And we mounted a very successful campaign to stop that happening, to preserve that field forever for the young people and the not so young people of Old Colwyn. And when I'd done that, I thought to myself, maybe I could do a better job than the council's going to let it happen. So I decided to stand, and that's where I am now, 16 years later.
Wel, cyn dod yn gynghorydd, mi o'n i'n bennaeth y ysgol ers blynyddoedd, ac oeddwn i'n mynd i barhau am blynyddoedd eto, ond mwy o sydyn nes i benderfynu. Mae bywyd yn fyr, a oeddwn i eisiau gweithio mwy yn yng nghymuned yn hun, felly nes i benderfynu, chi'n bod gennau'r holl sgiliau yma o'n i wedi gael ar hyd yng ngyrfa, helpu pobl, siarad efo pobl, datrys problemau pobl, deall sut mae pobl yn byw ac yn y blaen, a nes i benderfynu bod hynna yn drosglwyddiadwy iawn ar gyfer bod yn gynghorydd sir hefyd. Felly mae gennau angerdd mawr am yn ardal enedigol, ac oeddwn i eisiau helpu pobl uwchaled. Mae pob dydd fel cynghorydd yn wahanol, ond rhaid mi ddweud dwi'n mwynhau pob diwrnod. Efallai bod y diwrnod ar ddiwedd y dydd wedi troi allan yn hollol wahanol i be oeddwn i wedi ddisgwyl, ond dwi'n cael pleser mawr o fod wedi gallu gwneud gwahaniaeth i fywyd pobl, os ydyn nhw angen yn helpu, eisiau cymorthu i ddatrys problem bach neu fawr. Weithiau dydy'r broblem ddim byd i wneud efo gwaith y cyngor, ond fel cynghorydd dros uwchaled, dwi yn teimlo bod o'n ddyletswydd arna i helpu unrhyw un sy'n gofyn am yn helpu.
Y ffaith bod o'n peth naturiol i fi bod yn gwneud y swydd yma oherwydd dwi o'r ardal. Mae'n rhywbeth eitha organig. mod i yn dŵad o yma. Fy mhobol i, dwi'n cynrychioli, a mae o mor naturiol a dwi'n hoffi helpu bobl. I mi, mae fod yn cadeirydd ar y sir yn rhywbeth eitha mawr, dweud gwir. Dwi wedi dilyn olion traed fy nhaid Watkin Lloyd, oedd o yn cadeirydd ar yr hen sir Ddinbych yn y 60au. Nes i erioed i gyfarfod o, ond mae'n braf bod o wedi gwneud gwaith yn yr ardal yma a dwi wedi cara'r gwaith yn ymlaen.
I'd say go into it with your eyes open. You know, it would be wrong of me to sit here and say it's not challenging at times. It is, you know, be prepared to take a step back from social media because people forget that there's a person behind, you know, the screen reading the comments that people are writing, and it can be toxic. But there's so much support available. It's genuinely the most rewarding job I've had. I absolutely love it. You can really make a difference to people in your community, and if you're sat there thinking, oh, I don't know if I can do that, you can. It can be scary when you first come in and there's lots to learn and there's lots of processes, but people are there to help you and talk you through things. Having more experienced councillors there, you know, there's lots of support, and it's really important that we get that diverse range of people there representing communities, and we're all doing our bit to keep going, so yeah.